So here we are. This is a 20-inch Vorsteiner VFF 105, mounted with 305/30 ZR20s, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. And the reason I went with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is they had really great reviews, and a lot of people are putting them on supercars or high performance cars. But look at the size of this thing. Here, I'll kind of stand next to it if possible, kind of give you a sense for scale. The thing's huge. These are gonna look great on the car. I can't wait to get them on. Super excited. So next time you see this wheel, it's gonna have the tire sticker on. All right, guys, check this out. Got the tire stickers on. There still is a little protective coating on the sticker itself, so it'll pop a lot more when I peel that off. I just want to make sure that the glue is dried. I literally just affixed all of these now. So next step is mounting. Look at the difference in the width of the rear versus the front. That's just insane. Look at that. All right, guys, today is wheel installation day. It's been a long time, waited since September for this. So we're gonna go ahead and take one more look at the car, and then I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the installation of the new wheels. Shouldn't take me too long. I'm guessing probably somewhere around an hour. I don't have a lift. I just have a manual jack. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the tools that I have and show you what I thought was necessary to use. Most of you know this already, but there probably is a small percentage of viewers that don't. So for their benefit, I'm gonna go ahead and show. So right over here, I have a standard jack. Just got it at Harbor Freight many years ago, works well. I'll be using these gloves, this seat, which is on casters to move around, loosen and tighten the bolts by sitting there. And then I do have an impact wrench right here that I'll use to be able to loosen and tighten the bolts. This is to pick off the existing lug caps. You can see what this lug cap looks like here. I won't be using the lug caps, I believe, or I don't believe, for the new wheels. I was given all new lug nuts in here. These are the black center caps that the wheels came with, and I elected for the red center caps. Here are the new lugs. So they're like a painted black. And then here's a breaker bar right here. I might need this for tighter nuts. And then here's a torque wrench here to tighten to the proper Audi specifications. And I believe I have this set at 92. Let me take a peek here. No, I have it set for one, make sure. Yeah, 92. It's kind of hard to see, but trust me, it's at 92. All right. So without further ado, let's take one more walk around the car, and I'm gonna keep these tires and wheels in the event that I want to track it or one day sell it. The car is filthy. I've not washed it since December, and right now it is the first weekend in March of 2020. Hopefully one day I'll watch this video when I'm an old man and appreciate that I documented it. All right, and I will go ahead and begin. I don't know that I'm gonna show you everything that I do. I just don't think it's necessary, but I'm gonna go ahead and loosen all the lugs, remove the caps, jack the car up. I am using, oh, glad I remembered. I am using this jack pad, which is specifically for Audi, and specifically, this car uses the same structural pad, which goes into a little divot, it's probably about halfway past the door and then underneath. And this thing sits up inside of it, and then your jack pushes the car up, and this maintains the structural rigidity of the car. So if you do have a car that requires a special jack pad adapter, do your research before jacking it up and make sure you get the right product. Quick update, all of the lugs on the driver's side are loosened. I have the jack in place, have the car up a little bit off of the ground, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it up further so I can get these wheels off. The stance is more aggressive. So look at the wheel well here. So the wheel's tucked in actually a little bit, and here it's basically flush to maybe a hair positive out of the wheel well. I gotta tell you, I like it. We'll do a full reveal in a minute. All right, I just need to wash it up, but it is finished. The stance does look a little bit meaner. So I got these wheels from Motor Vibe. I was originally looking at the 305 forged wheels, and they were just so expensive. Motor Vibe did a really good job. They sent them mounted balanced with all the proper lug nuts. In fact, all the lug nuts were individually wrapped. I had requested the red center caps. They came with the black center caps, and it also came with the tire pressure monitoring system sensors. So all that said, it was a turnkey job for me. I just had to put them on. I will say, if you're doing this job yourself with this car or any car, I had a really tough time with the rear passenger tire. It was really stuck on the hub. I had to give it a lot of kicks, even went and got my rubber mallet and hit it several times and kicked it again at like 3 and 9, and that worked. So anyway, that's just a little advice if you haven't encountered that before, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, press that thumbs up, and if you feel like it and you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I'll be putting more content out, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks.